Hi, I just wanted to make this video to say a big thank you to Home and Garden owner and Ted's Woodworking Plans. Hi, my name is Tom and I love doing woodworking in my spare time, and for many years I've been looking for the best woodworking plans online until that is I found Ted's Woodworking Plans. After I did my checking into this product, I decided to test it out. Do you know there are 16,000 woodworking plans in this package, and anyone from a novice to an expert will be able to find plans that they can use. I like the fact that Ted's Woodworking Plans are backed up by a 100% money back guarantee, and that was good for 60 days in the event that I wasn't satisfied. I didn't have to worry about the money back guarantee as I love the product. The other reasons I decided to try Ted's Woodworking Plans was that he offered 4 major bonuses plus a free MP4 player so I could listen to my favorite music while woodworking. The bonus packages contained a 3D modeling software and a DWG CAD file viewer, which will help me visualize the end results. 150 premium woodworking how-to videos, a complete woodworking guide containing useful tips and tricks, and a how to start a woodworking business in your spare time. Also a free touchscreen MP4 player worth $100. The marketing company of Home and Garden owner promotes this $100 extra bonus and sends you the MP4 player as a bonus gift shortly after you receive Ted's Woodworking Plans. To me, this was really a no-brainer. It is a 400% return on my investment within a 60-day money-back guarantee on something I just love to do, and that's woodworking. I would highly recommend Ted's Woodworking Plans and suggest that you click on the link below for more information.
Okay, check this out. Recently I went on the internet to find some woodworking plans because it was my brother's birthday. And I found tedswoodworking.com. And I am so amazed by this website and the products that he has on this website. He's got over 16,000 woodworking projects and plans. I signed on, of course. I'm a big woodworking fan. Not that I'm that great with my hands, my brother is. I saved so much money, it's not even believable. I wanted to build an outdoor set, but I never really knew how, or I could never really follow the plans. So I was able to do that from Ted's system. I got all the blueprints, the plans, the materials, full color pictures, easy to follow. Everything was detailed and understandable to me because I'm a visual guy. I like to actually see it. I have a hard time actually with written instructions, but that's just me. I also signed up for his free bonuses, which is a CAD plan viewer, and I can design my own furniture on my computer. And this was so inexpensive, unbelievable. Unbelievable price for the set that I got. I also got 150 premium woodworking videos, which really made me happy, and that's 150 different pieces of furniture to build. I don't know how he sells it for the low price that he did, but I'm very happy to have found tedswoodworking.com, and just check it out, see if you like it. But I think once you see everything that's on there, you're either going to buy it for yourself or someone in your family or a friend that is into woodworking or just is starting out. My son is 12 years old and he's going to be helping me with some of this. I think I'm going to set him loose on his own with a few of these outdoor projects for woodworking. So Ted's Woodworking, it is the best.
Hey there, my name's George, and I wanted to leave a little testimonial today. I was trying to find some woodworking plans on the internet, and I was having a real problem with it. It was really hard for me because I'm not real technical that way. I don't have that vision of seeing the project before it's done. I was not able to create my own woodworking plans very well. So I got a hold of Ted's Woodworking Plans, and I can tell you that it has made a big difference for me. If you are in the same boat as myself, having difficulty creating those woodworking plans, you might consider it. Why don't you click on the link below and go take a look at Ted's Woodworking Plans, and I'm sure that you will be as satisfied as I am. It really helped me a lot. Thanks for listening.